language, English, is increasing day by day. It has become a rage, not among the youngsters or the school-going children or the professionals, but we have seen it has become so popular among these homemakers for different reasons. For young moms, because they have to help their children, and at the same time observe that number of times people would get offended.
Now people are thinking, if I know English, then I can get those success in life.
We should not let them forget whatever it's our culture or whatever we have been following from our adjuster, whatever has suggested art, whatever in a route or not following the trend, we feel that we are lagging behind. Or
Quick reply to be a fluent speaker or to talk into no. Good evening, young ladies, Bishnu and Sushmita.
good evening, ma'am.
Okay, how has your day been? Vishnu, you tell me first, then Sushmita, taking not much of the time because we want to focus mainly on topic today.
Right. So I think like my day has been productive today because I had a very fruitful session. I mean the group session today after a
Oh,
long gap, I would say.
that's great. That's
uh, yes.
Yeah. Okay. If I talk about
and
my day, today it's little chaos for me because my son is at home and the day was not that productive for me because I was kind of juggling between many things with him, playing and making food for him. So he was asking lots of things to do. So I was doing this all. So that's how I spend my day today.
we always have
Yeah,
a comfortable day. If I go back to my old times when your kids are not around, when they are at school, then you are in your
true,
comfortable zone. And if your kids are at home,
true.
even I remember that period when my kids they were growing up, they were in the college phase as well. Whenever they were at home, so especially my son, he had always been having a big list of because he is very foodie. I don't know how he is meeting all these needs these days while he is sitting far off and might be doing everything at his own. But he has always a list, big list that today you are to cook this thing for you, for me. After that, in the lunchtime days, and for him the pranthas, for him the pranthas are like कौन खाता है परांठास so
Okay.
yeah, I can understand your position very well. So let's dive into the session. Give me the permission to start it. Should I start it?
Yeah,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yeah,
Yes,
okay.
Yes.
yes, please.
My dear friends, I'm having a few set of questions for you, but before that, I would like to give you the briefing about the topic we people are going to talk about. Like you had a session before joining this session. Of course, that session was related to learning or speaking in this English language only, right? True, Vishnu? And at the same time, we people are on YouTube and we see what is happening these days. The popularity of this language, English, is increasing day by day. It has become a rage, not among the youngsters or the school-going children or the professionals, but we have seen it has become so popular among these homemakers for different reasons. For young moms, because they have to help their children in getting their homework done, or they are to go to the schools, to attend the PTMs, etc. So everybody is having some specific goal or reason for learning this language. So you can imagine that at what pace this language is becoming popular day by day. Do you agree with it? Right?
Yes.
Now at the same time I have observed when I talk to some I have been like this thing hearing from some people who always prefer to talk in their regional languages. Like a number of times then I post these kinds of videos onto YouTube and I am an academician. And of course, because I started my journey of learning English, so at that time, I would prefer, when I was there back at work, in my job, to talk to the person whosoever would come to my office in this language. And at the same time, observe that number of times people would get offended. That why ma'am is all the time preferring or in the meetings, she always prefer to talk in English. Why not in local Punjabi language? So that way, that topic was somewhere in my mind and thought of why not to have discussion with you. What is your take on it? And at the same time, you are young moms as well. So let's see how this now discussion takes a shape and in what direction it goes on. My first very simple question at the moment is why do you think this English is becoming so popular around the world? Leaving aside the reasons for this, because moms need for they are learning this language for their children. Keep it aside. Otherwise, why do you think it's becoming popular around the world?
Whom are you asking, ma'am?
Oh, yes. Shushmita, you may take the lead. Okay.
Okay. So apart from mom, obviously this is a big challenge is become we are also facing, being a mom. So if I talk about keep aside as a mom challenge, we are facing to this language. But apart from obviously we are living toward the digital era. So this language is become so trend, not only India, but also people are connected with the abroad as well. So for this, to make a communication with them, to make a strong bond with them, or do work with them. So this language became so mandatory, and this is the way of communicating with abroad people and to do work with them. So that is the reason, first reason, if I talk about this language, why it's become so popular. And in India itself, there is no sources of, job available for each and everyone. Obviously, they have to mingle with the other company, which is abroad company who has established in India. They have to do work with them. So for that, it's become so mandatory to adopt this language and learn this language to communicate with those people. So this is the first thing. Other thing is that its education system is also becoming developed. It's toward teachers are also focusing English subject is that they are giving more priority. So for that also, students have to, focus in English language. Earlier, how we used to study, we used to take as a subject, not a language. But nowadays, kids are taking this a language. They are thinking this is a language, not a subject only. So that is why it's becoming, too much popular English language rather than their mother tongue. Mother tongue is always there, with them. They always talk in their mother tongue in their home or whatever their, local language. But English has become so, mandatory for them to adopt or to speak with others. So yes, that is my point so far. Yeah.
Vishnu, do you want to add something new? Something, some other point?
No, I think as first of all, thank you so much, ma'am, for bringing this topic up. I think this is a unique, the important topic to discuss, which again I have not come across. Right. So as like many points are mentioned, but I think now this English has become a global language, right? And now people are treating it as an I mean, as an important or the mandatory skill in order to, reach certain level where they wanted to. Now people are thinking if I know English, then I can get those success in life. Now people are thinking about their life with this language, which has literally probably that could be one of the reason because since in under the educations or into the work environment, if we wanted to get in, so this plays a vital role, right? If in order to crack the interview, we should master this language. I mean, I should be able to communicate it properly so that I will be able to get the positions or the job that I've been applied for. Right now, for that situations, people are literally pushing themselves to learn this language or to master this language. I think we are seeing a lot of communities who are trying to learn this language to upscale themselves if they are already, they have continued their journey. Yes, this is my point.
But Vishnu, it means you agree with it that in the process, like because everyone is giving so much importance to this language for different reasons. Because of that, the local languages or their mother tongues, they are lagging behind. Do you agree with it?
So again, it depends person to person because we cannot explicitly say yes, right? So because I have seen or I have witnessed, for example, like I can give my true example. I am from Nepal, that is my root. I am staying here in South, which is a local language, right? But again, English, it is the school environment which my kids are getting it. But I always ensure that I am speaking in my mother tongue because I wanted to give that root to my children, no matter what. I know English is important, but I don't want to create that environment at home because they're already speaking at school. And here in the surroundings, it is a local language, which by default they have to converse with. Right now at home, I should speak in that my mother tongue so that my kids are following that. I think we should give that priority because English is just a language, it's a skill. That's it. Anybody can master it. But for that, we should not leave our root because mother tongue, our root, I think that brings the values and even the traditions that we follow, right? So we should follow that so that our kids will follow, right? Because they are our true reflection. So whatever we do, they are going to take that, right? So I always ensure that I follow my own traditions, no matter what, where I am staying, where I am residing, right? So I know what is my culture, I know what is my festive, I know what is my tradition. So I do that. I ensure that even my kids are getting those values from me, the same values which I inherited from my mom, right? So I think, so again, it depends to person. I am very particular in that, but I have also witnessed few that they converse in English and they don't want to converse in local language, right? Now because people are being
Mm.
judged by the language that you speak, that is bringing your personality. They are thinking, okay, if I speak English, that is a fame that is bringing in, people are judging me, so I'll be always be into that good books, right? So that is few people perspective that I have sensed, and I have also come across, which is I've witnessed that, I would say. But this is my perspective. No matter what, whether I know, I don't know, that doesn't matter, right? I always ensure that I'm following my mother tongue. So I'm not going to leave that.
Great,
Yeah.
great. But you gave your personal example, and at the same time, it varies from person to person. We do agree with it.
Yes.
Sushmita, like when you might be going to your kids' PTMs, and there is a huge rush and number of students and parents around.
Mm.
Keeping that picture in your mind, and of course, when your children they mingle with their friends when they're back home, and because that status word which we used, that is become gaining popularity these days. And for a status mean, if your child is going to a very good school and your child should mingle with the students of that level only, and you also try to build up that kind of that your circle also at the same time.
Mm.
Do you think that the younger generation, especially because what the way Vishnu asked, gave the example, like she quoted her own example. That is altogether different case. But I want to know your perspective in general, like seeing from a distance, like seeing your child playing with, mingling with the friends at school, when back home, playing in the park, and when you might be having some l- these gatherings, some parties, etc., at your family end. And when you see the youngsters, not only the toddlers or very young kids of your child's age, other one
Mm.
10 plus 12 or 15 years or teenagers. Do you think that the younger generation, they are getting distracted in the sense now they are quitting, like they don't prefer to talk in their local language when they mingle with each other, rather they prefer to converse in English only. Well, like my
Actually,
question is, they are losing their touch with the mother tongue. Do you agree with
mother
it?
tongue.
Yeah.
Actually, it's totally person to person. It's totally mindset of person, right? Which kind mindset they are having. It's up to them. Because what I believe, our kids has this caliber, this capacity to adopt different kind of things, not only one or two languages, but also adopt different kind of atmosphere. If you leave one child in a different kind of atmosphere, within a few days they will adopt this atmosphere and they will mingle with this kind of kids, right? And if you pick this same child with another kind of atmosphere, within a few days you can see the child will be mingled with the same atmosphere. It could be the totally poles apart, but they have caliber to adopt this kind of atmosphere. So if I talk about language, they have definitely caliber to adopt different kind of language according their need. If English is required for them, then definitely they have to focus toward the language as well. But the main thing is that they should not forget their roots, where from they come, right? We are teaching our kids in English. We are pushing our kids to speak English language to make them brighter or smarter. But what we have to always think, we should not let them forget whatever it's our culture, or whatever we have been following from our adjuster, whatever has suggested art, whatever advice they have advised or taught us to do, to follow this ritual with us, we have to teach along with to our kids as well. So this thing always we have to remember. And it's totally person to person again. If they want to show up much, or they want to exaggerate they have a good command over this language, or they are living a luxurious life in a advanced modern life, or they don't know the Hindi language or their mother tongue, whatever they have. In I'm also witness for that. Many of people in my surrounding, they prefer not English, but they have another mother tongue, but they speak Hindi. They don't know their own mother tongue. So this is also not good, because mother tongue is mother tongue. We should always know our mother tongue, and we have to know the where is my root, where from I came from. So this is always we have to understand and know. It's totally person to person, ma'am. And definitely English, if I talk about English language, this English language is really mandatory these days to grow or to learn something new, or to develop ourselves. But yes, always we have to keep in moderate and balance the all the things. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good, right. You're right. So that way, Vishnu, again, my question is going to reflect the same kind of thing, but I want to hear it in your own words. So, can local languages in English grow together without being competition for one for the other?
Okay, so according to me, so English we should have seen as a bridge, right? Because that is where it is bringing the success, is what we feel, right? But in the other side, the local languages, it is the identity for us, right? Because that's where we come from, right? So we cannot keep English at the higher level and our language into the lower. We should always keep them uh, together, probably, because
Balanced.
as we all know, and
Balanced.
balance, should balance it. So when it comes to the work perspective or the education perspective, I know local language will not work there, right? Again, it depends city to city, state to state. They cannot explicitly say, okay, this is what it is, right? Here in the state that I am currently residing at, they are always giving the top priority to the local language. Even in the CBSE, the standard curriculum, this local language is a mandatory subject, right? Because that is the root, that is the identity of the state, right? That they wanted to carry, and they wanted to bring in all the students, right? Where, because here different diverse background people are there, and they are forced to learn that language, to know the value of that language. right? So I do not know how about the other states, but here they are balancing it properly, even from a curriculum perspective, education perspective. English and Tamil, it's the balanced one, where kids are getting an opportunity to learn. I mean, not the local people, but even the people who has traveled from other states, they are learning language. So I mean, which is the local language here, it is not coming as a barrier for them.
Hmm.
They always converse in local language at home. They never converse in English. English plays a vital role here in the state only when it comes to the work professional, that too into the corporate level. Again, not into the private concern, because I am into the private and people literally they speak in the local language. Right? It
Okay.
is no compulsion, no force, and no mandatory that you will have to converse in English,
Hmm.
right? So as a general perspective, we should see English as a bridge which is helping us to move
Pro.
into the next
Hmm.
phase of life or to grow in our life, right? So at the same time, the I mean, the local language, our mother tongue, right? It is a heritage for us that we should carry. So we should balance that. Again, it depends to parents, because I believe parents are the one who's giving those values to their children, right? So they should teach the importance of the local language, and of course for the English language, I don't think so. They should put their effort of teaching them, because they already have that the environment where they can learn by themselves, right? So
Right.
I don't think so. Like we
I guess
should
network glitch.
never
Yeah, there is
forget
some
our
network
mother
glitches
tongue,
here.
danger zone.
Yeah.
Now we can
So,
hear you and
okay. Okay, sorry, time is running short, rather, very less time is left. And I want to wrap up in a very conclusive manner as well. Um, is there a danger of cultural values being lost if the local language fades away? This question goes to Sushmita, to you.
Could you repeat, ma'am?
Is there danger of, like, of course we are agreeing with it that at the school level or at the college level or at the corporate end, like to get the jobs, English is playing a very crucial role because it's a global language and we can't give it the second priority. It's equally important. If we at, like in Vishnu's word, if the local language is important, I don't think she wants to say that English comes at number two. At the same time, she's admitting it's very important. My question is there a danger of cultural values being lost if local languages somehow fades away? You can take it as a hypothetical
Mm.
situation.
Okay. Yeah, definitely. English language, it's become so popularity, right? And it's become so mandatory as well. So we don't think this subject or language we have to take secondary, because this language is providing us our bright future. So according the time we have to move, and whatever comes along with, or whatever comes in our route, we have to adopt and we have to embrace this all the things. And living in a route, we should not forget our route, but we should embrace the all the things whatever it's required to live the life. Because living in a route, or not following the trend, we feel that we are lacking behind, or we are not going to get the opportunity, or we are not going to get the good success, or a good life in future. So definitely mingle with this atmosphere, mingle with this era. Definitely we have to adopt this whatever trend comes, and along with we have to follow our route, and whatever culture or whatever tradition we have been following for a long, we have to make a balance between, and we can grow, because as a person we have this caliber to adopt the different kind of things. It's totally mindset. If you have a strong desire, I am going to follow my ritual or tradition or my root or my language, along with I'm going to adopt the new things with which thing is going to give me the bright future. So people has this caliber to carry the both. So it's totally person to
One,
person. So
one
it's
quick reply,
everyone.
one quick reply. To be a fluent speaker or to talk in your local language. What is your take on it, Vishnu? And same question to you, Sushmita. What is your first priority? To be a fluent speaker or to talk in your local language?
Actually, at home,
No, for me,
I prefer to talk in my local language because I feel comfortable and I am able to share my feeling or emotion with my family members. So I love to give the first priority to my local language. And second thing, to grow in future or to grow in my career. So definitely this language is playing the vital role these days. So I'm also adopting this language. So this is my thought.
Vishnu.
yes, even I'm going with the same because I feel very comfortable to converse in my local language because it is very difficult to find people around who's based out of my locations. I mean Nepal, right? So because your surrounding is the Tamil people, so I always ensure that I'm conversing at home in my local language in my own mother tongue. Even if it is all alone, I also do the shadowing practice with my local language. It's not only with English.
Right, right, right. So
Yeah.
we do admit that this responsibility is on our shoulders, right? We
Exactly.
are the custodians of this inheritance, passing on this inheritance, this legacy to our next generation. So we
Right.
should own that responsibility. Though we are very progressive minded people, we all sitting together at this very moment, and we want our children to grow. We do admit the importance of the technology and this language, but at the same time, this language is just a skill, and we must
True.
master ourselves and to our kids so far as the skill is concerned. But at the same time, we should stay connected to our roots, because that is what we are. That is our identity.
True.
Because if
True.
somebody talks to me like in Punjabi and the face is not familiar, and from the dialect of the person, immediately some picture that comes in my mind. If it is a female voice, someone wearing on the other side wearing a suit and all hair tuck up beautifully, and if somebody is talking to me in some rural kind of with that accent and those sprawling green fields, they immediately come in the mind. So yes, that way it's very important to conserve or preserve our language. With all this note that yes, we must pass on this legacy to our children.